Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Light channel. Today we'll talk about Optimism OP targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in, guys. If we zoom out and take a look on this chart, I remind you I shared with you this chart. I don't remember exactly where, but around here I posted the sell side liquidity, and take a look. We grab this liquidity pool, dump it, grab it. This liquidity pool. Next one is only this low. If the market will drop and form the new low and all market crash, if it will happen, Optimism next step is just a new historical lower low. Is it possible? Yes. Why not? Guys, everything possible. Is it possible so we're going to hit the new all-time high? Yes, it's possible. And technically, I'm not a fan of Optimism. I'm not a fan of Arbitrum, but between the Arbitrum and the Optimism, I chose the Arbitrum. I'm not a fan of the session like this one. So almost 3.5 billion FDV, market cap 1.34, and now the circular supply 1.66, and the highest point of the market capitalization of Arbitrum was here around 4. Yes, I truly believe the Optimism will hit the new all-time high, and yes, 10 billion market cap, 16 billion market cap, even 20 billion market cap, it's possible. It's more than real. What I don't like this fundraising rounds of that, guys. Some 20, some 21, some 22. The big funds, invested on priority rounds, and they can distribute it again and again and again and again. And only take a look. Only now 38% tokens in circular supply and invest in shuttle, guys. Here. So basically, since September 2023, No, not September. Since this one, since May 2023, till May, till June 2026, till May 2026, core contributors, investors distribute their bags. People who ask it, where the altcoin season? Guys, take a look. That guys who received the tokens in 2020, 2021, 2022 distribute all this right 1000% gains, because they received the tokens at early stage at a way lower price. The main bags, they start distribute here in May 2023. This is May, this one. So dump, after that push the price higher to new all-time high and distribute over then a year, like since March 2024, distribute it back to the sell side liquidity. If we talk about a logic, so BTC dominance now over than 63%. Why that guys have to sell it now if they can? Because the crowd believe the Optimism is something special, that's some fundamental project. They can put the price way higher, and after that, when they receive the full allocation, they can distribute it. Let's say next 2 years in the bear market, they can distribute it step by step from, let's say, 10 billion market cap, from 16 billion market cap. 16 billion market cap basically is going to be the $10. It's good. It's good. It's still good. If you weigh some crazy gains, $10 is going to be like, once again, around 1.7 billion, 1,700% gains. It's good gains, guys. It's good gains. Is it looks okay for you to accumulate or not? Technically, yes. Here, it was a 3-rise pattern. We can find it on the line chart here. I'm not a fan of the trend lines, So we can add the trend line like this one or like this one and say it's a fake out, right? But yes, we can hit if we extend that lines right here. And if we talk about the targets, so let's say May 2026, when they get their final allocation. So yes, it can be the last stage, like here, around $8 or even $9. And now, if you ask, is it okay to buy now? Basically, yes, guys. Now, I want to show you, of course, with my customer set now, the main data, but we grab this liquidity, and the next one is only here, only 42 cents. Why we have to drop to 42 cents? For what? Just ask yourself, for what? Is it possible? Yes, this summer we can drop. But for me personally, it's not make sense to drop it now so low, because for what? To make the people rich again? from 40 cents to push the price to $10, for example, I don't see any reason. First step for a bullish target would be good to retest the monthly open. Monthly open is around 72 cents and going to the yearly open. So this is a more than real to see this summer, if the summer will be the green one, right? To break the structure, we need to break the $2.74. If we need to talk about, we want to talk about a global uptrend to the new all-time high. So middle term target is $1.73 yearly open test. To break the structure and talk about a new potential new all-time high, it's here. We need to break the $2.77, so around $3. When? Nobody knows, guys. And if we're gonna break this this high. So technically we can delete the sell side liquidity. If we check with the monthly gaps, what we can see here. So this one, next one, $1.34, $1.31, and around here, $1.61 test at the yearly open. Next step is only here, liquidity pool. Liquidity pool, test, yearly open. First trouble area, breakout structure. Don't build the crazy complicated charts. New historical low, for example, if we dump this summer to the low. And now, like a conclusion, of course, now it's okay time to buy this token if you believe in it. I don't care about optimism. I chose the Arbitrum for local trades. So 2 billion market cap, FDV 4.27. So 47% unlocked tokens here, 38 and 1.34 and 348. So kind of actual, but I can't. Of course I can, but I don't want to invest in all of these super attached projects, right? Because there's a lot of super attached projects. I chose the Arbitrum for the middle term targets. Middle term targets I showed you in my video. The same story with a yearly test, yearly open test. Let's double check now. Here, ADZ. This was a distribution. Now we drop to the accumulation. And of course, we can form a divergence. We can form divergence, and it's going to be the new historical low under 40 cents. What and where we're going to stop under 40 cents, nobody knows. So there is open space. That's why now, if it's okay to take a risk at 81 cents, of course you can take a risk now. I took a risk with Arbitrum at these current prices. So let's see. Let's see what will be next for the optimism. But all eyes on BTC dominance. Globally, I believe in new all-time high for optimism. But pay attention for the vast shadow of the big guys. Here is a monthly test of rejection at yearly open. Here's accumulation on direction. It's good. It's good. Take a look, the market mood money power. Finally, just compare to understand the logic. Here's a FRIA distribution. This is a capitulation. This one was in August only 4. From that low, we pump at 159%. Here's all this impurities, this capitulation. This is the last one. 150% can be here. Around. Same story. Same story like it was here in August 4 to December 4. This is April 5 to, I don't know, maybe by August 25. It's hard to say about the timing. This is a MACD bullish divergence. It's good. Take a look, trade on and take profit. I use weekly, for investments. We trade under fair value. It's good time to buy. So like you can see, there's a lot of bullish reasons to take a risk now with potential low targets, historical one under 40 cents, right? But with good gains to test the yearly open and even the test of the take profit line and exit line. 1, 2, 3 takes. $1.81 you invest now. $1.60 here at yearly open, you withdraw initial deposit. Leave free tokens right to the moon. I'm not a fan of this cliche, but it is what it is. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.